Okay, we're going to differentiate this function here. So let's let y be equal to the square root of x cubed minus 5. And let's also let u be equal to x to the third minus 5. Then dy dx is equal to du dx times d du of the square root of u. And so du dx is 3x squared, and d du is 1 over 2 square roots of u. So this gives me 3x squared over 2 times the square root of x to the third minus 5. And so that is our dy dx.